Hi, I'm Eddie O'Broy.
And I'm Aliya Mody.
We're so excited about this listing we have here in Hayward, and you're gonna like this one because if you really appreciate places like Lake Tahoe, Yosemite, well, guess what? You can have it here, right here in the Bay Area. Look behind us. Imagine having a place where you feel like you're in Tahoe, yet you're so close to work and your life. What do you think?
Absolutely, Eddie. This is like a little tree house.
That is,
it's
yes.
3 bedrooms, potentially 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms of exceptionally exquisite living space. You've got decks, you're close to the outdoors, you have trails close by, it's got great schools, and you really have to experience it. So come join us.
Let's take a tour.
Welcome to 2067 Quail Canyon Court. Experience the charm of this beautiful home designed to feel like a mountain retreat with redwood siding, French doors, and multiple decks that showcase breathtaking canyon views. This residence offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a spacious upstairs office loft that can easily serve as a 4th bedroom. The open floor plan allows for incredible natural lighting amidst surrounding pine trees, creating a true city cabin ambiance. The home is nicely updated with new lighting, paint, and a solar system that ensures energy efficiency. Enjoy formal dining as well as an eat-in kitchen, perfect for entertaining. The backyard features a treehouse retreat, perfect for peaceful escapes. The lower master suite includes private decking, ideal for relaxing and enjoying the serene canyon views. Additional amenities include a substantial 750 square foot storage space above the 3-car garage and a walk-in basement storage room. Located in a quiet court, this home is within walking distance to Cal State East Bay, numerous parks and greenbelt trails. It offers convenient access to BART and major highways 580, 92, and 880, making it an ideal commute location. The separate levels provide an excellent home work arrangement. Don't miss the opportunity to own this unique and tranquil property in the Hayward Hills. Thank you so much for taking a tour of our beautiful home.
As you saw, it's a great opportunity, and if you have any questions, that's what we're here for. Reach out to us anytime. We'll see you soon.